Hi everyone, my name is Kosi. I'm an aeronautical engineer and a robotics and programming lecturer at one of South Africa's leading universities. Welcome to Robotics Academy, the place where kids and parents build robots, build confidence, and build the future together. Robotics isn't just about coding or machines, it's about creativity, problem solving, and having fun while learning skills that prepare kids for the future. This is a space for kids and parents alike. Whether your child is 4 or 14, they can start their journey right here. Here on this channel, we explore everything from beginner-friendly robots for young learners to coding challenges for teens who want to push their creativity further. You'll see tutorials, fun builds, and projects that families can enjoy together. Let's start building robots that inspire confidence and curiosity. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and like so you and your child can grow with us every week.